a lot na. Time to eat. Hi guys, we're at the airport. How was your workout session? Guys, it's been a while. We're gonna go to Walmart and also McDo. So come with us. Yan guys, so mayroon pang snow. Today is Saturday. It's 8:46 p.m. February 8th. Okay, we're gonna go there. See you later. We're in Walmart. Ay, parking lot pa lang. Ang habol lang namin dito guys is bumili ng McDo dahil may McDo dito. And we're also gonna grab some stuff. May coupon kami.
Steak na lang tayo.
So, okay.
Mag-steak na lang tayo.
Ito guys, bumili ako ng coconut juice. I like this one. Hey guys, we're in my cart. We grabbed a lot na and I think we're gonna cook sinigang as well tonight. So, kumuha kami ng ibang ingredients. Now we're gonna look for some frozen okra. We're done. Yan po yung pinamili ni Christianity. We're gonna go home and we're gonna cook some sinigang. Guys, hindi na ako nakapag-update. We're in the kitchen. Dito na lahat ng gulay natin. And then, ito na guys yung karne. Niluluto na namin. About what you're gonna cook?
I'm gonna cook some basa.
Ito guys, i-adobo din namin. It's currently actually 10 p.m. na, pero nagluluto pa din kami.
Mukhang kalbo dyan kasi may iba yung doon.
Gulay time! Labi! Ito na yung sinigang! Time to eat! Hi, it's now Tuesday I think and I'm currently eating. I'm in the Cove, so parang siyang new building sa university namin. And ano ka hear me, pero ang dami kasi nagsastudy dito. I have a midterm today. I have a class 12:30 and that's the class that we have a midterm. So I'm currently just sitting. I'm gonna eat kasi I haven't had my brunch yet. So it's 10:51. I'm currently at Tim's and I'm just waiting for my mom kasi we're gonna pick up si Tita sa airport. So I'm so excited. I'm currently just sitting here. And ginapap ako ni Christian guys, pero umalis na siya kasi may work siya. So natakot ako kasi mag-isa lang ako dito and hindi ako sanay. But I'll update you guys later. Hi guys, we're at the airport. It's 11:30. February 12 and we're gonna go to the gym. So dito siya sa downtown guys and hotel yung pinag-gyman namin kasi wala masyadong tao. So yan siya oh. Yan. Yung malaki na building na yan.
Yung kami sa pinakataas na.
was it? How was your workout session?
Not bad.
Tapos na guys, it's currently 6:49 p.m. na. And I think we're gonna go home.